In this video, I will show you how to find hotspot password on your Android phone. The steps are identical for most of the Samsung Galaxy devices. So let's get started. First, swipe down from the top of the screen and here you will find gear icon for settings. Tap on gear icon to access settings menu. Now scroll down and tap connections. On connection screen, tap mobile hotspot and tethering. Here you will find an option mobile hotspot. Tap on it. And on the next screen, you will find your hotspot name, which is network name, and password along with band. If you want to change the network name or hotspot name and password, tap on configure. And on the next screen, you can change network name or hotspot name, and you can change the password as well. Once done, tap on save to save your changes. So that is how you can find the hotspot password on your Android phone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.